I could hear the experts speaking of the technologies being present. I mean, if you ask the question, do we have the technologies to reach our decarbon goals? And the answer is yes. But one of the challenges that I could see common in all of their speeches and discussions is we have quite a challenge in the commercial aspect of that. And do we have enough money? Do we have enough investment to make those technologies sustainable and viable? And we are not there yet fully. So in my mind, there needs to be a balance to leverage those technologies.
So I think the biggest challenge is to balance both, to balance the current need for continuous fossil fuels, but also to raise and scale up the alternatives, the biofuels and the green use of hydrogen, for example. So this is very capex intensive, and that are the main challenges I see for the industry going forward.
So oil and gas companies, of course, have always been facing carbon as the main driver for their business. To decarbonize their business, the main way to do that is to increase the efficiency that they are working with, and to enter into other businesses where the carbon is neutral. In this case, it's the renewables energies. And as we have seen in the market, many oil and gas companies have started working in the renewable sector, and this is where we are working now.
The most challenging features of the decarbonization plan is trying to ensure that we select affordable solutions so that our customers end up with low carbon products like low carbon chemicals and fuels that are still affordable for them. So the way that we are managing that is we are keeping an eye on many different alternatives, on technology and engineering solutions that can help us decarbonize.
I believe that the best way to engage with the different stakeholders is to be innovative, because we are building new value chains for decarbonized molecules and for the energy transition in general. And this means that you have to be innovative in the way you bring financial stakeholders together in your vehicles, both traditional oil and gas and energy sector investors, and also new investors that are more keen on taking on regulatory risks and energy transition risks. You have to be innovative in terms of thinking ahead of how you bring together actors along the supply chain, the off-takers of your decarbonized molecule, the producer of hydrogen, the company that is willing to install a carbon capture facility. Because without proper coordination, and also of course the public sector, without proper coordination and starting into advance, we risk missing decarbonization targets that are very ambitious but are needed to fight and win the fight against climate change.